Take a ride in the 2026 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, LED headlights, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.